ちにしたらもう丸めて型に入れていきます。ちょっとガス抜きをしっかりしながら丸めています。もう型に入れちゃいます。金かけて発酵します。
Okay, so we got the flowers today. You guys ready to open them?
Yes. This is soft.
Or, wait for it, we just keep the box because the box
I'm
is
opening
beautiful.
it.
Da, 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 da. Ooh, those are
すごい。
pretty.
いっぱいね。
Really
How many are
pretty.
there? 1, 2, 3, 4,
So show
5,
that
6.
color.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 36 in here.
Nice.
It looks like 19.
She's ready for college.
いいじゃん。
It was
Those are-
either this, yellow, or white.
Oh, really? I thought you were gonna get yellow actually. So that's pretty cool though. I think I like this the best.
Yeah, I like it.
Really pretty. So where are we gonna put it?
In my room.
Okay, where else? Not your room.
In the bathroom.
So you can have the bathroom. Yeah,
My
that's what we should
bathroom.
do. Your bathroom.
We should keep it here.
Yeah, I think we should put it somewhere we can all see it. So I know you like it in your room, but
Yeah,
or
pretty.
I take it to work and I can keep it on my desk.
Every night, in the middle of the night, I'll just take it to my room.
You could sleep on it or something.
Yeah.
There you go. No, those are really pretty though.
Yeah, pretty.
Really nice. And I think you told me that they last a year, right? So
yeah.
they're supposed to stay pretty for a year.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden, they change colors probably or something.
That one's the prettiest, even though they're all the same.
全部
They're all really pretty.
ハンドメイドよ。
Really?
Yeah,
That's
that's really nice. Is it heavy? Just curious.
Wait, I want to
I
try.
don't think so.
No, it's not.
Wow, I'm so.
You're just strong. But
Yeah.
no, that's really cool.
うわ
I like the blue color.
ね
There's different shapes too, like square, circle.
え。And
heart.
hard to do.
And smaller ones too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
And,
really
yeah.
cool. I'm sure a lot of people are going to be giving these for Valentine's Day and other stuff, so that's pretty
Yeah,
cool.
I want to order a smaller one too, maybe another color.
That would be really cool.
White
Well, if you ever want to give me
white, yellow,
or red.
red, and gold, silver, and
if you ever
Black.
black.
if you ever want to show your
はい、発酵上がりました。オーブンに入れます。 木の皮みたいです。ラズベリー。
How many? 4? 6?
2。
3?
ラズベリーが大好きです。これも美味しそう。チーズケーキ、ベリーチーズケーキ。このホワイトミントも美味しいです。チェリーアーモンド。この間はクッキードも食べました。ラディゲットしました。しっかりめに混ぜます。はい、液体ルーを入れていきます。まずはオイル。今日はサンフラワーオイルを使います。普通にサラダ油とかでも OK です。メープルシロップたっぷりいきます。最後にミルク。混ぜます。次は大事な卵白の泡立てにいきます。白くなったところで砂糖を半分いっちゃう。さっきの残りの砂糖。このくらいで OK です。はい、ちょっとこのこぼれた分も入れて、はい、きれいに混ぜ。混ぜすぎないように切り混ぜ。はい、もうこの泡立て器はもういいです。泡立て器これなんだったっけ。はい、素早くいきましょう。ムラがないかチェックして。今日は分量よりも大きめの型を使っているのでちょっと高さが出ないと思うんですけど、ちょっと家にあるもので焼いていきます。はい、オーブンに入れます。
Alright, here comes the good stuff.
Here you go.
Thank you, baby.
I think I got the bigger piece.
I think you did get the bigger piece. That's not really fair. Oh, that's really soft, babe.
Ooh, didn't cut it all the way. Whipped cream.
クリームも一緒に。
Mmm.
クリームいっぱい。
This is really good. Now I gotta get a strawberry, get my whipped cream, like a whole thing here. There we go.
メープルケーキ。
Oh my goodness.
This is so soft.
So good, babe. Are these just normal strawberries or do you like make them sweeter? Just normal? Oh.
I like when people put sugar on their strawberries.
Wow, this is awesome. And it's especially perfect because I'm pretty hungry too.
I got the bigger piece.
And you're so lucky. We're so lucky you make us so many delicious things.